I've got a great photo of me, though.
I am.
All right, so I've got a piece of clay here that I've rolled out on the thickest setting of my pasta machine, and I found that the Kemper circle cutter, it takes 2 circles of clay to fill this particular bead roller. So I'll mush this up into a ball and try to get all the little wrinkly things out of it. And then I just make it into a little sausage roll.
In a rough shape.
Yeah, roughly, just so that the clay doesn't roll around to one end.
Right,
This kind of helps. Got the clay in there, and then we'll roll it a few times. And we've got a bead.
And did you design the shape?
I did.
Nice.
But here's the interesting part, I think, too.
Yeah, this is the part where it gets really ugly. But I have one of these little bead piercing pins, and I've nipped off the ends just to give me a better target for pushing these through. And I don't go through all the way. I go to the other end and try to find the hole. And you can see I'm really deforming it now, but we'll fix that. Okay, so it's all the way through now, and I'm going to run it through the roller one more time. Or more than one time, but just to get it back in shape. And then we'll find the hole again. We may have to do this a couple of times. That one actually is behaving pretty well. So we'll make believe that we never have to do it more than once, but you usually do. And this is still a little bit misshapen, but a couple of turns again and we'll probably get it back in shape. There, I think I'd probably bake that just like that. Cornstarch.
Cornstarch, yeah. Okay, thanks.